In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money online with TikTok in this TikTok affiliate marketing strategy. I'm going to show you guys two methods that I personally use. One involves showing your face and the other one involves re-uploading already viral videos. Now this is one of the best, laziest methods for beginners, or even if you want to build another income stream online. This is an awesome way to make an extra $2,000–$3,000 every single month just by posting simple 30-second videos. So guys, don't sleep on this method. Make sure to listen carefully to what I'm about to show you guys, and I want you to take action at the end of this video and start implementing this traffic source. Now before we get started, make sure to subscribe below and hit that like button to support this channel. My name is Damien Belak and this YouTube channel is all about business and marketing, so if you're new, make sure to subscribe and like this video. So let's not waste any more time and let me show you guys why TikTok is one of the best traffic sources in 2022. So as you can see on screen, this is my personal account, Damien Belak, which has over 6,500 followers and 33,000 likes. Now guys, I'm going to show you the analytics and everything, the stats, all the numbers. So this is my personal account where I actually record my face, I share my story with my audience, and I give lots of value. Now obviously, I also promote my affiliate link, which is right here. So if someone clicks on it and clicks on open anyway, they get redirected to one of my affiliate links. Okay, so I change these around. I don't just promote one product. I change this link to different types of affiliate products all the time, which one suits me the best. All right, so let's watch one of my TikToks just to show you guys how I drive traffic to my link. So let's just do this one for example. So how would an extra $1,000 per month change your life? For me, changed everything. Okay, I can show you how I did this and scale my business to 70,000, and let's get you started. And there's a call to action at the end of my TikTok. So this is the call to action. Wait, let me pause it for you guys so you can see. All right, so this is my call to action. Let's get you started. And when you open the mobile app, this little arrow is pointing to my profile. When they click on the profile, they can click on my link. So this is all that's to it. So I basically upload 30-second videos. You know, I model success, I model viral videos, and I do the same thing basically, and I direct my traffic at the end of each video with a call to action. Click the link in my bio, go to my profile to learn more, click in the link in my bio, enter an email address. These are the call to actions that I use in each video. Okay, so let me hop into my analytics and show you what's possible with an account with just over 6,000 followers. So analytics, and bear in mind I haven't uploaded for about 2 or 3 months, so I'm gonna pick the last 60 days, and as you can see, over 60,000 views, almost 3,000 profile visits, 2,600 likes, 500 comments, and 88 shares. So 3,000 profile visits within the last 60 days, and I haven't uploaded. Let me show you guys. I uploaded my last video the 1st of the 15th, right? So I uploaded this video in January, and I'm still getting so much traffic to my link every single month, right? And if just 3,000 people visit my website, and even let's say 1% of those people buy something, that's worth $500. That's 15K, all right? So just think about that. I got 3,000 profile visits in the last 60 days, and I haven't uploaded anything since January. So that's absolutely huge. Now guys, this is an account where I show my face, but if you don't want to show your face, that's completely okay. I'm going to show you a few examples where you don't have to show your face at all. So let's just say we're going to be in the keto diet niche. So keto diet. Let's do keto diet. Let's go on accounts. And let's go like this. So you can see that this is an account that's re-uploading existing videos, or maybe they're creating them themselves, I don't know, but they're making simple 30-second videos just like this. They're probably re-uploading them from TikTok or from Instagram, but as you can see, they're not showing their face, they're using other people's videos, other people's faces, and they're getting thousands of views. And look at this. This is a Spanish TikTok, so I have no idea what this means, but they're promoting some kind of a product, and my guess is it's an affiliate product. So let me show you one more example. Let's just say you're going to be promoting a make money online product. So I'm going to search business motivation. So this account has almost 80,000 followers, and they're basically posting snippets from interviews or movies from famous people, so Jeff Bezos, Logan Paul, so on and so forth. And as you can see, once again, 18,000 views, 27,000 views. So that's a bunch of traffic just from re-uploading videos from YouTube. So this account isn't promoting any links, which is a big mistake, but yeah, you can see what's possible. So let's just see this one. This has 3,700 followers, and once again, I mean, look at this, guys. This is a German account, and link in bio. This is the call to action, and this is the video. So it's basically a video with a picture on top of it. And once again, they're promoting some type of a business opportunity. Now, guys, let me show you that this is real, and this is making people thousands of dollars. So I'm going to go over to Legendary Marketer, which is one of the affiliate programs that I promote actively. And as you can see, I have made thousands of dollars with this program, just with this TikTok account, which is ridiculous. I mean, I have 6,000 followers, and I made multiple high ticket, $1,000 commissions, $1,350 commissions, and so on and so forth. But let me show you guys. Let's go to the scoreboard, and let's look at these top affiliates. Let's look at Camilla Markson, for example. She's a platinum for this affiliate program, which means that she made $100,000 with this affiliate program. And guess what? Guess what traffic source she's using? That's right, she's using TikTok. And let me prove that to you. Look at this. She has two accounts. This is the first one, and this is the second account. So as you can see, once again, this proves that you can make $100,000 just with TikTok alone. And this is one of the videos she uploaded like 9 minutes ago. So as you can see, she's active and she's making thousands of dollars per month. Really. I mean, in the last 7 days, she's up here. So she probably made over like 10K in the last 7 days alone. So this is no fluff. I just showed you my real life examples. I just showed you Camilla Markson's the top affiliate for Legendary Marketer, and this is a private company, but you can promote ClickBank products, Digistore 24 products, you can even promote CPA affiliate offers. It's completely up to you. Pick a niche, build a funnel around that niche. If you want more videos on how to do that, just make sure to comment below. I can show you guys how to build a funnel from A to Z, and I'm going to show you how to hook everything together and start promoting that on TikTok. Now, if you want more videos about TikTok itself and how to create the videos, once again, make sure to leave a comment below. But as you can see, guys, this stuff works, and most of these affiliates from Legendary Marketer are in fact promoting this offer on TikTok. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you found value in this video. I hope I opened your eyes to how huge of a potential TikTok as a traffic source really is. And I hope you enjoyed this affiliate marketing video. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video where I showed you how to make money on TikTok in this TikTok affiliate marketing strategy, because this stuff works. This is what is trending right now. Jump on TikTok. Stop sitting on the fence, guys. This is what really works. This is how you can make easily a couple $1,000s per month, just like I showed you in this video. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure to leave a like to support this channel. Subscribe if you're new. Leave a comment down below what you think about this method. And I hope you guys take action, because now it's completely up to you. And once again, I'll see you in the next video.